Are you playing music but not hearing any sound on your Samsung phone? This can happen because of muted volume settings, software glitches, or headphone connection issues. It's important to fix this so you don't miss out on your favorite music or videos. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you easy steps to fix media sound problems on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, first, open the dialer, type *#0*#, then tap speaker. Tap again, and check your sound whether it works or not. If it works, then there is no hardware issue. After that, make sure these basic things. Make sure the volume of the sounds, clean your speaker with a soft brush and a thin cloth, turn off Bluetooth devices, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. After that, follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn off Mute All Sounds. Go to Settings, scroll down, find out Accessibility. Then tap on Hearing Enhancements. Scroll down a little bit. Find out the Mute All Sounds option. Toggle it off. Solution 2. Turn on the hearing aid support. Go back to the Hearing Enhancements page. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Hearing Aid Support. Now simply toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Check your software update. Go to Settings again. Scroll down. Tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then install it. Hope this helped you fix the problem. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments below.